We are back again, live here at the studio. Good afternoon, I'm Rainiel Jamos.
And I'm Apogyan Sarabusing, and welcome back to LMBN.
And here is our next topic for today. China's weather agency has issued its highest level rainstorm warning yet for the south of the country more than 100,000 people have been evacuated from their homes in Guangdong. After days of heavy rain caused massive flooding in the country's most populous province, 4 people have died so far while 10 have gone missing according to state media. This is Rainiel Jamos reporting back to you, Apple.
Thank you, Rainiel. Breaking news. Authorities in Albay are on alert after Mayon volcano spewed white smoke Sunday afternoon.
Albay Governor Greg Slagman said that according to the Albay Public Safety and Emergency Management Office, the initial incident should not cause any concern at the moment.
PHIVOX later reported a phreatic eruption from the Mayon volcano summit occurred at 4:40 p.m. and lasted 4 minutes and 9 seconds based on the seismic record.
PHIVOX resident volcanologist Dr. Palalanes said there is a possibility of ashfall in the towns of Daraga, Albay, Kamalig, and Ginubatan.
And that's all the time we have for this afternoon. We hope you enjoy the show.
We got to go now, but remember, stay curious, stay informed, and stay safe out there. Good afternoon.